Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, there is a new show in town called Untied, right? And we are going to see Nonku Williams on this show. Now, here's a brief background that Khopolo shared with us. He said, new show, Untied, a new talk show featuring 8 South African celebrities who have been through public divorces. Produced by GOAT, the company behind Unfollowed, and the Real Housewives Unlimited Goals Trip. The show is hosted by award-winning broadcaster Relebogile Mabota. Each episode focuses on a different celebrity, and this season includes Unoma Kigaba. Remember Noma Kigaba? I love her for one thing and one thing alone. Old girl will give us the files unprovoked. She will just share how she used to run home affairs behind her back, right? And then also Unonku Williams. For me, I already know that Unonku Williams will somehow be a victim in the relationship. Somehow she will be wronged. That's why I'm expecting Guti. She's not gonna take responsibility on her part, on how she acted, but she's going to give us the juice and the story that we need. And Palesa Matisakwane, okay, Palesa Matisakwane. At least this time it's not going to be about Somizi. We're going to hear more about her divorce, of which on public platform she did own her part of being wrong in the marriage. So we'll see on this part, on this, how what is going to happen, right? Also Sonia Booth, cheesecake. What don't we know though about cheesecake that's going to be new here? I don't know, guys. And then Dawn Thandeka King. Dawn Thandeka King, I think there's a lot that we could know about her. Yes, Girl has been speaking, but it has been amangampu there and there. So I think she's gonna give us more. Zandine Hlapo has been not like trending a lot, so I think her story will be relevant and we will resonate with it a lot because it's been a while since she's off our screens, and we know Uguti Girl is forever beautiful, forever calm. I just love Uzanti. Let me just Mona Mononyani and Beverly Stein. Beverly's gonna spill it all. I love Beverly. Kuribona. No stones unturned. But I looked at a few comments, so we're gonna read only 5, right? One from Munakedi says, Yo awa nonku gape. What hold does she have on Showmax? And then the other one saying, Mavezi, can we have shows telling young people what to study and how to get jobs? Or rather, how to start businesses after university? Can we have that? Let young people talk about the hardship of trying to succeed in an economy like the one in South Africa with a contrast. I would really love this because already South Africans, we are suffering. We really need like different content, more especially such how do we survive the South African economy. Then the third one says, divorce only impacts women. That's a question mark. Could it be why the stories are only told by ex-wives, or is it to amplify a narrative that they are solely victims to men? Also question mark. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Do men ever have the opportunity to talk out or to speak out rather? And then the fourth one is asking a very important question that I wanted to also ask, even though we know her story, but we also want to know where is Entlembali in all this? Where is our girl in all this? Entlembali is nowhere to be found. And then the fifth one, we are over glamorizing divorce, of which I agree with. Yo, guys, I wish you could see, yes, relationships are not all going to work, right? But let us not over glamorize divorce, because like It's as if divorce is the price now. You must get married, get divorced, and you are a woman that loves yourself. You are woke, you are this, you are that. But Maria Mushala says we are over glamorizing divorce and pushing this narrative that good marriages do not exist. It is so sad. It's very, 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 very sad. And then, okay, I'm going to do the sixth one. It says, women and all being victims. Can we hear the sides of the husbands' stories? Guys, everybody wants to hear what the husbands are saying. What, like, you know what? But in conclusion, can we say Relebogile is making us proud? Relebogile is giving us the content that we deserve. Relebogile is showing us how content should be structured. Relebogile is asking the relevant questions that are pushing the narrative of the story that we want to hear. So yeah, big ups to Umu Girl. Let's see how the show goes, and let us pray and hope that we will get proper files and people will not speak as if they've been prepped by the media or whatever. If the first episode doesn't spill the juice, no. Sipagama pekisithi hak matorokis.